Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Assistive Touch because it replicates physical buttons when they fail. This is the only reliable software way. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and toggle Assistive Touch on. Once done, a translucent floating button appears. Drag it where it's comfortable. Make sure your iOS is updated so features match these steps. Practice tapping. A single tap opens the menu. You're already using the software button. That immediate action replaces a broken home or side button. Next, you customize what that Assistive Touch button does so it fits your workflow. Tap Customize top-level menu and add or swap icons. Choose up to 8 items to keep the menu simple. Then set single tap, double tap, or long press to specific actions. Pick Home, Screenshot, Lock Screen, or Siri depending on what button you need replaced. If an app needs complex inputs, create a custom gesture. Record the taps or swipes once, name it, and assign it to the menu for instant reuse. Finally, verify the setup by testing every mapped action so you trust the virtual button under pressure. Try single and double taps and a long press. If gestures misfire, go to Settings and tweak the tap timing or sensitivity. Once finalized, consider adding back tap shortcuts for redundancy. Double or triple back taps can trigger common actions. If the Assistive Touch button becomes unresponsive, restart your device, toggle Assistive Touch off and on, or reset accessibility settings as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.